Hello students, today we are going to start Unit 2 Poem or Poem Geography lesson written by Julfikar Ghosh. He was born on 13th of March 1935 in Sialkot, which is presently in Pakistan. He is a famous poet and novelist. The poem consists of 24 lines and there is no rhyme scheme. That is why it is in free verse. In this poem, the poet is sharing his experience while he is traveling by a jet plane. Through this poem, the poet reflected several things like a picture of city, logical geography, and also jab of human narrow-mindedness and why people hate each other. So let's start the reading. Can you imagine what your city would look like if you saw it from 10,000 feet above the ground, neatly planned and perfect in proportion, like a geometric design? It would strike you as something very different from it actually is while you are in the thick of it. Here is the poet's description of just such a view of the city and some questions that came to his mind. So let's recite the poem. When the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. Seeing its scale 6 inches through the mile, there seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned and without style, when the jet sprang into the sky. In this poem, the poet described the scene of the city and the country from an aeroplane flying high. When the jet plane took off, the sky was clear. The sky was crystal clear. The poet looked out from the window. The city looked neatly planned, but on ground it looked without plan or order. It had numerous lanes and houses without style or symmetry. In second stanza, poet starts, when the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. The logic of geography, that land and water attracted man, was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. In second stanza, poet want to explain that when the aeroplane flew at the height of 10,000 feet above the sea level, he looked below and realized that logic of geography. It became clear to him why the cities in every country are situated on the river banks. Secondly, the people live chiefly in the valleys. This is the level land between the hills. Land and water are primary needs of life. They attract people because human beings cannot live without water and land. These are the basic necessity of a human being. When the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear the earth was round and that it had more sea than land. But it was difficult to understand that the man on the earth found cause to hate each other to build, wars across cities, and to kill. From that height, it was not clear why. In third stanza, poet want to say that when the plane rose high above the ground, as 6 miles the earth looked round. It had more water than land. The poet understood the reasons why it was so, but he could not see any logic behind the division of land by raising walls of bricks and hatred, and why people went madly after one another's throat. So beta, in this poem, two figure of speeches or poetic devices are used here. In first stanza, first line and last line sprang into the sky. Alliteration is used as S is repeated twice. Alliteration is there. In the second last line of the last stanza indicates another poetic device, that is imagery, where wall symbolizes border and cities symbolizes countries. Hope you understood the poem. Thank you.